Staying in Adrian, game one between Siena Heights and Aquinas, third inning. 2 on, 2 out for Adam Wilding. Smokes one over the right fielder's head and out to the warning track. 2-run score, RBI double for the sophomore. 3-zip Siena Heights. To the top of the fifth, full count, 2 outs. 𝗏𝗏 wins the battle at the dish. Deep fly ball to the gap in left center. RBI double for the 9-hole hitter, puts Aquinas on the board. Aquinas threatening again in the sixth. Jake Paganelli grounds into the double play. 6-4-3. Defense backing up the Swanton grad. Zach Bloom on the bump. Still 4-1 Siena Heights. Saints add an insurance run in the sixth. They win it 5-1. Solid outing from Bloom. Mason Lowry and Mark Nell join us from Adrian.
Well, Mark, let's start here. That was one really well-played baseball game.
It was. Great pitching, great defense. Routine plays were made. Pitchers threw strikes. They got ahead of the count and let their defense work.
When it comes to throwing strikes, that was the key for Zach Bloom on the mound today for Siena Heights. The former Swanton Bulldog threw an absolute gem, and he said it when we talked to him a couple of minutes ago. It was all about throwing first pitch strikes, and something that you talked about as well, the ability to pitch backwards.
He did. He had a great changeup working today, great curveball, and he used his fastball to spot up when he needed to. You know, he made the hitters put the ball in play, and that's pitching, and that's what you want as a defender. You want to be able to play and have your pitchers work fast, and that's exactly what he did.
Pitching, of course, is made that much easier when you get 11 hits from your offense as well. Zach rarely had to pitch under pressure at all.
No, he did. No, they got a lead right away, but he did what he was supposed to do. He did his job. He went out and pounded the strike zone.
Indeed. Big win here for Siena Heights over Aquinas.